Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, according to CoinDesk, GameStop disclosed in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that it raised an additional $450 million by selling zero-coupon convertible senior notes, bringing the total funds raised from the company's mid-June convertible bond offering to $2.7 billion. The funds will be used for corporate purposes and investments, including continuing to acquire Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. Next news. The Mocha Foundation has announced the launch of Mocha Chain, a Layer 1 blockchain built specifically for identity and user data. Mocha Chain will support the development of identity protocols across various industry verticals, enabling individuals, devices, and AI agents to control, unify, and verify their digital credentials without relying on centralized platforms. By integrating with consumer applications, it will accelerate user-centric and privacy-conscious growth. Next news. Starknet ecosystem lending protocol ZKlend announced on the X platform that it will be shutting down its services, stating that the vulnerabilities it has suffered in recent months have severely damaged user confidence. In addition, the recent delisting of Zend by major exchanges such as Bybit and KuCoin has further limited the token's liquidity and accessibility, which severely limits the ability to effectively allocate new projects. Wow! Next news. Bill Pult, director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, tweeted that he has ordered Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to begin incorporating cryptocurrency into mortgage asset valuation systems, stating that this move is part of implementing President Donald Trump's policy direction of promoting the United States as a crypto capital. Next news. Anthony Pompliano's crypto firm ProCap has purchased 3,724 Bitcoin after announcing a $1 billion plan to go public later this year. Next news. On June 25th, according to Crypto in America, the U.S. Congress is engaged in a heated debate surrounding cryptocurrency legislative strategies. House Majority Whip Tom Emmer stated that the Genius Act needs to be bundled with the Clarity Act in order to move forward, while opinions within the industry are divided. Companies like Coinbase support the bundled passage of the bill, while the DeFi community advocates for the Genius Act to be passed separately first. Trump has urged the House of Representatives to pass a clean Genius Act with lightning speed via Truth Social, and the White House is also putting pressure on Republican lawmakers. Next news. Zama, a cryptography company providing fully homomorphic encryption for blockchain, has announced the completion of a $57 million Series B funding round led by Blockchain Ventures and Pantera Capital. This funding will bring Zama's total funding to over $150 million, with a valuation exceeding at $1 billion, placing it in the Unicorn Club. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.